Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday Talks with the Green Bay Doulas. I'm Emily Jacobson. So this week I want to talk about how do you pay for a doula? I get this email a lot from people. Also, I've seen it a lot on different threads on social media about people just saying like, my insurance didn't cover it, therefore I didn't look any further into it. When actually it can be affordable. So here's kind of why doulas are not covered by insurance. The reason is that we don't do anything medical. And because we don't do anything medical, we don't have a billing code. And because we don't have a billing code, we can't bill insurance. So it's this really great circle. Now, there are some insurance companies that do see the benefits of doulas, but that's for you to do your homework on and let us know what's going on. Sometimes we will write a third-party reimbursement letter if you want to try to get third-party reimbursement through your insurance, but you have to be pretty tenacious and be willing to make phone calls and submit. But totally up to you. Okay, so here are some of the things we say. If you have a super cool doctor or midwife, they can actually write a letter of necessity, kind of like a prescription for a doula, that can be used. And I don't really know how it works, but we've had clients who make it happen. So awesome. Beyond that, a lot of people use their HSA or their flex spending account, so you can use that. Also, payment plans. Super easy. Break it into 6, 9, 12 months. It's not that bad. You spend more at Starbucks. To be honest, in a year's time, absolutely spend more at Starbucks. Starbucks does not support you like we do. But that's here nor there. That's a totally different story for a totally different day. All right, so letter of necessity, third-party reimbursement, HSA or flex, payment plan, also gift cards. Like, put us on your baby registry. We have so many families who actually will pay for like the labor part of a doula, and then when it comes to like their baby shower, anything they put out in like the doula jar for a baby shower or just gift cards in general goes towards postpartum care. So after they have the baby, if they want to get some sleep or get caught up on stuff or just want some education or support, we're there for them for that. So gift cards, doula jar at your baby shower, HSA and flex, payment plans. I'm trying to remember all of these. A letter of necessity, or just submitting it to your insurance and see what happens. But the thing is that if you really value this kind of support and the level of care that we give you, that's the big thing, is that you have to be willing to go the extra mile to ask the questions. So never feel like not obligated. Like, give us a call. Let's see how we can make it work for your budget. Let's see how we can work in a plan. Obviously, the sooner you call, the more options you have, obviously. So we want to make sure that we're able to work with you, but there are some women that do call at 39 weeks, and that's okay. We have some people call the day before an induction. It happens. So for us, we want to be able to give you the level of support that we do, and so we do have to charge a living wage because this line of work is really hard. An average doula only stays in this career like 2 to 3 years. And for me to have made it a decade, listen to my words of advice. And a lot of the doulas that work with Green Bay Doulas have been around for 3+ years now too. So a lot of them have made the statistics of people who stop in this career field. So doulas are worth the investment. Doulas are an investment, but it's okay. Anything is worth it. Some people might say that doulas are a luxury. They shouldn't be a luxury. They should be available to anybody who wants them. But because of insurance and things like that, there's a lot of people that are not able to afford it. But we have worked with families who normally would never have been able to have a doula, and we worked with extended payment plans and just worked with them. So for us, if you value the support that we can offer you, we're going to value you as well and build it into your budget in a way that it doesn't stress out your family and offer you that support. So feel free to reach out. We do want to talk and we do want to get to know everyone, and hopefully you become part of our Green Bay Doula family. That's my Tuesday Talks for today. Have a great day, guys.